Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn phrasal verbs through pictures. Look at this picture. This is a boy in bed. He opens his eyes. The boy wakes up in the morning. He wakes up. Now look at the next picture. The boy is sitting on the bed. The boy sits up on the bed. He sits up. In this picture, the boy is leaving the bed. The boy gets out of bed. He gets out of bed. Now the boy is standing. The boy gets up after waking up. He gets up. Look at this picture. The girl is touching the switch. She turns off the light. She turns off the light. Now look at the next picture. She turns on the light. She turns on the light. In this picture, the girl is lifting a bag. She picks up her bag. She picks up her bag. Look carefully. The girl is wearing her shoes. She puts on her shoes. She puts on her shoes. Now pause this video and describe the picture in your own words. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.